root of 6 minus the square root of 2.
But don't you have to get those square roots?
You are supposed to de-rationalize the denominator, but I'm not going to be picky about that right now.
Okay.
Okay? And you won't run into that problem on a standardized test with this kind of problem.
You can't simplify that anymore, right?
Well, Amy's got a good point. You are supposed to rationalize the denominator, but I'm not going there. But I'm making the honors kids do that, so
Okay, so
Sam, for you, here's what they're doing.
just make it negative.
Nope. The only way to do it is to multiply top and bottom by square root of 6 plus 2, because if you remember the idea of complex conjugates,
You don't want any
radicals on the bottom.
I thought you were making it so like the 2 lined up with 2.
No.
Okay, so yeah, I got it.
Yeah, so then when you FOIL these, all the radicals go away and you get a number.
6 minus 2.
But then you got to FOIL these on top.
And I'll just do 2 plus. Or no, it'll just be.
It'll be FOILing. You're going to have a middle term that's going to be annoying, and we'll still have radicals.
Can you do one of the...
But I won't. Well, you and I can work that out on our own. Okay, at this point, actually, I want to go into some of the new ones. So I think this should... Ask me again, ask me again, Amy. The homework tonight is more using these formulas. If you're really good with these formulas, some of them will be easy. If you're not, you're doomed. We'll see. Who's got sharp eyes in here?
I honestly suck.
I have really good eyesight. 2020.
You mean sharp eyes.
Luke just asked the right question. I actually misphrased it. No, that's good, Michelle, but it's actually, you get sharp eyes and can you quickly see patterns with your sharp eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, that's actually what I meant.
I love those tests.
I should have said sharp brains.
I like those tests when they put me on like the patterns.
Okay, let's see if you can use that part of your brain on this.
Maybe I don't have that part.
Well, you're about to find out.
You edit.
Okay, today is the 17th, and I'm going right into more examples of how to use these formulas that we did last night. And if you recognize them quickly, this is great. If you're not, that one's kind of annoying. Okay, but still. All right. The directions on this one are write the expression as the sine, cosine, or tangent of an angle. Okay? Does this look like one of the formulas that you got? Which one?
The cosine formula.
Some or difference?
Different. Yes,
Some, because the cosine is counterintuitive. It's a switch, right? So, Marissa thinks that this is the same as the cosine of 25 plus 15 degrees. Or in other words, this is the same as the cosine of 40 degrees. And that's all you have to do with a problem like that, is you have to recognize which formula it is and figure out what angle it is, what angle they're talking about, and then rewrite it as a single expression. Think you can handle that?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Why does it hurt so much to get punched in the nose?
Nose is mostly cartilage and nerve. It's kind of like a shin. I'm not sure why we evolved that way, but
If you had to choose a place to get punched that would be the most painful for you besides the testicles, what would you choose?
solar plexus.
Where are those?
Right here.
It's right here. It's where the muscles meet. See a really good six-pack. They're actually really easy to incapacitate because right where the uppermost striations of muscle all intersect, there's basically, the more muscular, there's actually more space here. So it's fat protecting it. It's a punch to a nerve cluster, which basically almost shuts down your lungs. People have died from getting punched there so hard.
Sternum.
Well, no, it's below the sternum.
Is that like that little space right there?
Yeah.
Where
You push in on it, it's hard. You feel like a...
down.
Yeah.
What about your kidneys?
Kidneys are back here. A good punch there is the same effect. Yeah, it knocks the wind out of you, but I think the solar plexus is worse. First time I got hit boxing, the solar plexus.
Is that where you,
was
how you
gonna
get
die.
your wind knocked out? Wind knocked out? You get hit there.
That's one way to knock somebody out. They usually don't knock them out. Usually they just curl up in a little
Knock
ball.
the wind out.
Yeah, knock the wind out,
You
yes.
get hit there?
Yeah. Okay, that's a nerve cluster that's close to the lungs. Okay.
I just noticed that the,
Wow.
if you get the other part.
Beginning class.
Okay, tangent.
Okay, you got that. Which way?
Okay, what single
No.
sine, cosine, or tangent can this be expressed as? What single sine, cosine, or tangent can this be expressed as? First off, does this look like one of your formulas?
Yep.
Just the sum or tangent one?
Tangent.
It's a tangent one, I'm sorry, but is this the sum or difference of tangents? Because the tangent formulas always have opposite signs. So you got to remember, difference, it's the one on top. It actually makes a little bit of sense. It almost looks like distribution, but this thing on the bottom messes it up. So this is just the tangent.
39.
I'm sorry?
39.
It should be the tangent of 325 minus 86.
Well, yeah, never mind.
That should not be, that should be, what is this?
No,
Two-
She was saying what the answer was actually.
Oh, tangent of 239. Did you say 239, Layla?
Yeah.
Then, okay, excellent. Okay, guys, so if you look at this, the question might be to tell me that this is the same as the tangent of 239. Notice I'm not asking what is the tangent of 239. That's a calculator question. Incidentally, the tangent of 239 is also the tangent of 325 degrees minus the tangent of 86 degrees divided by 1 plus the tangent of 325 times the tangent of 86. Pardon? You don't have to prove where this formula comes from to do that, and that's not short. That's one of the it's the way the 6 formulas I gave you yesterday work, and I have proved them for various honors classes in the past. I don't usually, and I proved them for kids who've asked in any class. But they're ugly. All right, now let's see. The other ones I gave are, let me double check what else I assigned. Because there was this type of problem, and which class is this?
Three.
Oh, yes. Okay, this is fun.
Metal.
I love this.
Trash doesn't hold a champion, does it?
Okay. Now,
Or trash doesn't want
all right, here's an example. If the sine of angle U equals 5 over 13, and the cosine of angle V equals negative 3/5. Okay? Tell me what the sine of U plus V equals, and I'll give you a couple more in a second. Okay. If the sine of, actually, sine, cosine, and tangent of U plus V. Okay? Tell me what these equal.
I need the rest of it.
Okay, here's the first hint on a problem like this. Right? And this is one that drives people nuts a little bit, and I didn't explain this well enough last year. Okay? U and V are in completely